Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Here again with another update from Tesla. This is 2022.44.2, and there is some exciting new feature on this update. First off, we are able now to see camera-based detection. So when camera-based detection is enabled, Sentry mode will use the vehicle external cameras in addition to the vehicle sensors to detect a security event while parked. Important to note, the vehicle has to be in the park status for this to work. And if you are not in the park status, if it's disabled, the clips will be saved on the USB drive in the Sentry mode storage. So one thing that you will have to do, you'll have to make sure your phone app is updated to the latest version. And once this feature is enabled, you will have this showing up on your app, and it basically says live camera Sentry mode enabled. And if you click on this here, you're able to see live. Right now you can't because I'm actually still in the car. You're able to see live all the different camera angles on your vehicle, and you get those push notification when there is a security event. So that is really cool, really exciting. And also you have all these other options here like honk, flash. You can use the voice audio to warn those persons around your car to stay away from your car. And you have those four corners of your car covered while there's a security event. So pretty cool, pretty exciting. I really love this feature. And I think this was a necessary feature to have on a vehicle like this here that's so expensive. A lot of people are curious, so they walk up to the vehicle. So now you have these additional security measures in place to make those people aware that you're watching and monitoring your vehicle, which is pretty exciting and very cool. I do like the audio where you can speak to the people or folks around your car and provide that audio voice ignition. Other thing with this new version of the app is the media is very detailed, so it tells you what you're listening to. You have full control of that while your vehicle is in park status, which is pretty cool. I do have the safety score beta app, so now I could see my drive score when I'm driving. So right now, really excited, I'm at 99% for my drive score, which means my driving behavior from forward collision warning, hard braking, aggressive turning, unsafe following, they're all within the threshold to give me that 99% of safe score. Really nice to see that this is more clearer, has more details, and it tells you how much you are saving on your Tesla insurance. So that is just a side note, but if you're interested, there's new language support for Thai. Pretty exciting. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this update. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next Tesla update.